Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn to solve two-step algebraic word problem. Here is our first problem. A magician has a secret stash of coins in a box. He uses a magic trick to double the number of coins and then he gives 4 coins to his assistant. If he now has 18 coins left in the box, how many coins did he start with? Let us solve this step by step by translating the story into an algebraic equation. Let x be the number of coins in the magician started with. The magician uses magic to double the number, so x will become 2x. Now he gives 4 coins to his assistant, so 2x minus 4. We are told that he has 18 coins left, so the final equation become 2x minus 4 equals to 18. Now we will follow reverse BODMAS rule and solve it by undoing subtraction first. We will shift minus 4 from left hand side to the right hand side and it will become plus 4. 2x equals to 18 plus 4, 2x equals to 22. Multiplier 2 will become divisor on right hand side. X equals to 22 divided by 2 equals to 11. Magician started with 11 coins. Here is our second problem. Maya baked a large batch of cookies. She kept 8 cookies for her family and divided the rest equally among her 3 friends. If each friend received 6 cookies, how many cookies did Maya bake in total? Let us assume Maya start with C cookies and take away 8. So what is left? C minus 8. Now she divided the rest equally among her 3 friends. C minus 8 divided by 3. After dividing, each friend gets exactly 6 cookies. The final equation becomes C minus 8 divided by 3 equals to 6. Now we will follow reverse BODMAS rule to solve the problem. So we'll undo division first. Divisor 3 will become multiplier in right hand side. So C minus 8 equals to 6 into 3. C minus 8 equals to 18. Now we will solve the expression inside the bracket. So C minus 8 equals to 18. C equals to 18 plus 8. C equals to 26. Maya baked total of 26 cookies.